Unlock the future of home comfort with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Imagine a thermostat that not only learns your schedule, but also enhances your air quality and adapts to your lifestyle. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, with smart sensor and air quality monitor, is here to transform your living space into a haven of comfort and efficiency. Compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, this programmable Wi-Fi thermostat puts control right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to unpredictable temperatures and hello to a smarter, healthier home. Ready to elevate your living experience? Let's dive into why this is the ultimate upgrade you've been waiting for.
All right, so it looks like you're interested in the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium.
Smart thermostats are pretty cool.
Yeah, they are. Definitely a great choice if you're looking to upgrade your home and kind of step into that smart home world.
For sure, for sure.
And we've got a ton to unpack with this particular model, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium.
Yeah, a lot of features.
We're going to dive into energy savings.
Of course, got to talk about saving money.
Oh, yeah, that's the big one, right? Everyone wants to save a little bit on that energy bill, but also air quality monitoring, even some home security features you might not even know about with these things.
Yeah, you don't think of a thermostat as like a security device.
Exactly. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive.
Should be fun one.
Yeah, so let's jump right in and talk about the feature that probably matters most to a lot of folks out there.
Yeah.
Save some cash.
Absolutely.
Our sources are pointing to a potential 26% in annual savings.
Wow, that's pretty significant.
Yeah, that's a pretty big chunk of change when you think about it.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's not just some marketing gimmick either. It's got that Energy Star certification.
Oh, yeah, so you know it's legit.
You know, it's the real deal, and they had to go through rigorous testing to get that.
Exactly.
But I'm curious, how does it actually work? How does it save you that much money?
Well, the real star of the show here is the smart sensor.
Okay.
Have you ever wished you could, set different temperatures for different rooms in your house?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Like you're in your office working and you want it a little cooler,
Right.
but maybe someone's in the living room and they want it a little warmer.
Yeah, like my partner always wants it like a tropical rainforest in there.
Exactly. So the smart sensor actually makes that possible.
What?
Yeah, it detects if someone's in a room and then adjusts the temperature accordingly.
So you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty room?
Exactly.
That's brilliant.
It's like having a personal climate control system for each room.
So no more thermostat wars.
Yeah, no more fighting over the temperature.
Everyone gets their ideal temperature, and you save money in the process.
Exactly. It's a win-win situation.
I love a good win-win.
There doesn't.
And it's not just about temperature control with this Ecobee.
Oh, no, there's a lot more.
Yeah, it can actually tell you about the air quality inside your home.
Yeah, indoor air quality is something people often overlook.
Yeah, for sure.
But it's crucial for our health.
Absolutely, especially with all the time we spend indoors these days.
Exactly. This Ecobee can actually detect things like VOCs.
VOCs?
Yeah, volatile organic compounds.
Okay.
They can come from paint or furniture, and some of them can be harmful if the levels get too high.
So it's like a little detective sniffing out those invisible dangers.
Pretty much it gives you peace of mind knowing what you're breathing.
And don't forget the filter change reminders.
Oh yeah, those are super helpful.
No more guessing when it's time to change the filter.
Exactly. It keeps your system running efficiently and your air clean.
Now, for something that completely blew my mind when I was researching this.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
This thermostat can actually help keep your home safe.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it can act like a mini security system.
I never would have thought of that.
So it can listen for your smoke alarm going off
Okay.
and send you an alert even if you're not home.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
And if you sign up for the Ecobee Smart Security Plan,
Okay.
you also get alerts for potential break-ins.
So it's like a virtual watchdog.
Exactly. Always on alert.
I'm really impressed with this thing.
Me too. And there's more. It can even send you notifications if there's a sudden temperature drop in your house.
What would that indicate?
Well, think about it. You're away on vacation
Okay.
and a pipe bursts.
Oh, no.
This little device could potentially save you from a major disaster.
Wow, by alerting you early on.
Exactly.
It's incredible.
Is that extra layer of protection that you just don't get with a traditional thermostat.
You're making me want to get one of these right now.
And we haven't even talked about the smart home integration yet.
Oh, yeah, that's another big one.
So this Ecobee lets you choose between Siri or Alexa built in.
Oh, nice. So you can control it with your voice.
Exactly. Ask it to adjust the temperature, play music, all that fun stuff.
It's all about convenience these days.
You do need an Apple Home Hub if you want to use Siri, though.
Oh, good to know.
But still, it's awesome that they give you the choice.
yeah, flexibility is always good.
Speaking of flexibility, let's talk compatibility.
Yeah, is this thing going to work with my ancient HVAC system?
Well, good news, it works with most HVAC systems.
Okay,
So whether you have a furnace AC, a heat pump, you're probably good to go.
that's a relief,
And for those homes that don't have a C-wire,
which can be a pain.
yeah, they've actually included a power extender kit.
Oh, nice.
So it simplifies the installation process.
They've really thought of everything.
They really have. And before we wrap up, I have to mention one more really cool feature.
Okay, hit me with it.
It's the open window door detection.
What's that?
So if the Ecobee senses a sudden temperature change and detects that a window or door is open, it'll send you an alert
Okay.
and then automatically pause your heating or cooling.
So it saves you energy and money.
Exactly. It's like your energy-saving sidekick.
I like that.
But of course, that particular feature requires the smart sensor for doors and windows.
Okay, makes sense.
And a subscription to Ecobee Smart Security.
Right, right.
So to sum it all up, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium,
Yeah.
it's not just a way to control the temperature in your home.
It's so much more.
It's a device that can make your home more comfortable,
Definitely.
healthier, safer, and even more energy efficient.
It's amazing how far this technology has come.
It really is. And
Yeah.
it makes you wonder what's next.
Yeah, what other cool innovations are just around the corner?
How will these devices continue to change the way we live in our homes?
It's exciting to think about.
It really is. So there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the world of the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium.
Thanks for joining us.
As always, we encourage you to do your own research, check out the sources we used.
And see how this device might fit your needs and your home.
Until next time, stay curious.
And keep exploring the world of smart home technology.
See ya.
Bye.
Ready to take control of your home comfort and air quality? Don't wait. Click the link below to grab your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium today and experience the perfect blend of technology and convenience. Elevate your living space. Your smarter, healthier home awaits. Star.